world-class duo, Talakugon and Damnabamo! Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome
Sir Jeffrey Bacton from the Sweet Notes.
Salubungin po natin ang masigabong palakpak at malakas na hiyawan, Talakugon! Woo!
Maayong gabi sa tanan! Maayong gabi, Talakubong, okay ra mo diha? Daghang salamat sa pag-invite sa amo dinhi. Once again, we are the Sweet Notes Music from Jensan. Grabe, nagbiyahe pa gyud mi no para lang gyud sa inyo hang tanan dinhi. Ay palakpakan diha! Thank you so much, and before we start, of course, ayan na ating mga pasalamatan karong gabi. Wailain ang atong Big Four. Kailan mo sa atong Big Four karong gabi? Daghang salamat kaayo no sa inyohang suporta sa pag-invite sa amo dinhi, Sir Eddie Bong Plaza. Palakpakan naman natin. And of course, Sir Santiago Cane Jr. Maraming salamat also to Alfel Bascog. Thank you so much also to Sir Sammy Tortor. Palakpakan og kusog. Daghang salamat. Kung dili tungod sa ilaha guys, walay Sweet Notes karong gabi o other artists karong gabi nga mag-perform para sa inyohang tanan. And once again, ready na ba mo? Ready na mo manganta, manayo karong gabi Yeah, once again, we are the Sweet Notes Music. Welcome to our set! Woo! Ha! Hey! Andam na mo sayaw! Come on! Here we go! That's the man of guitar, BJ. Here we stand. Wheels apart, hearts broken into hey, two. Sleepless nights, losing ground. I'm reaching for you. Let's go! Feeling that it's gone. You change your mind. If we can go on, survive the tide of divine. Come on, say with me. Someday love will find you. Break those chains that bind you. One night will remind you how we touched and went our separate ways. If we ever hurt you, true love won't desert you. You know I still love you. together.
Someday love will find you, break those chains that bind you. One night will remind you. Come on! If he ever hurts you, true love won't desert you. You know I still love you. I still love you, boy. You know I love you, boy. If he ever hurts you, true love won't desert you. Let's give it up for PJ. Come on.
Thank you so much! Once again, may gabi sa inyong tanan. What ay konting palakpakan diha! Hey! And we'll give you this song, guys. Hope you like this one! Woo! Come on, let's rock and roll together! Hey!
Midnight, spend the night without you. But I've been dreaming about loving you too. I know I've been angry, but the hell you put me through. Hey man, bet you can't leave me down. I turn my back and you're messing around. I'm not really jealous, don't like looking like the clowns. Hey, I think of you every night and day. You took my heart and you took my pride away. I hate myself for loving you. Can't break free from the things that you do. I know I'm hanging, but I'm still wanting you because I hate myself for loving you. Oh. Come on. Daylight, spend the night without you. But I've been dreaming about loving you too. I'm over being angry, but the hell put me through. Hey man, bet you can't treat me right. You just don't know what truth means in this life. I wanna see you, baby. Say forget just was right. I think of you every night and day. You took my heart and you took my pride away. Everybody sing with me. Say, myself for loving you. Can't break free from the things that you do. I wanna walk, wanna run back to you. That's why I hate myself for loving you. Let's give it up for PJ. Show me. I think of you every night and day. You took my heart and you took my pride.
Pwede po ba tayo pumalakpak? Sabay-sabay tayo! Come on, everybody!
I can't break free from the things that you do. That's it. I wanna walk, try to run back to you. That's why I hate myself for loving you. Come on, I hate myself for loving you. Can't break free from the things that you do. I wanna walk, try to run back to you. That's why I hate myself for loving you. I hate myself for loving you. I hate myself for loving you. I hate myself.
Gusto niyo pa ba? Nag-enjoy po ba kayong lahat? Ayan. And this time, I'm gonna give you guys a love song. Sino mga mahilig sa love song ngayong gabi? Ayan, alam ko mahilig talaga kayo sa love song. Puputulin muna natin pansamantala yung ating energy kanina. So, we're gonna change the beat for a moment. Ito naman para sa lahat ng mga mahilig sa love song. Woo!
Meron ba tayong mga in love dito ngayong gabi? Meron dito.
Oo.
Sino ba mga in love dito ngayong gabi?
Ayan. Maghatag sa may surprise
Gamay
sa
lang
inyong
in
tanan. Oh, pakus ko na to. Gusto mo mag-surpresa? Kinsa ka na surprise?
Surprise!
Manghatag may surprise para sa inyong tanan. I hope everyone will love this.
Actually, buti na lang hindi tayo natuloy sa US.
Oo nga.
Kasi matagal nating pinaplano na sana maubos natin yung Agusan del Sur. First time namin dito sa Talakugon.
Yes!
Pwede ba namin marinig yung
Uy!
konting hiliawan ng mga taga-Talakugon?
Yes! Woo!
Daggan ba dahil? Kinsa ba din nakafollow sa Sweet Notes Music?
Huy, last minute na ba yata nakuha ani nila?
Last minute ba?
Oo, last minute na ni.
Last seconds.
Og hapit pa ni dili kwaon kay nagsakit man ko. Pero kay gikaya man ako karong gabi sige kinaan namin din eh. Ato na ning itudo. Asa man nato ihatag ana karon?
Sino ba dito yung mahilig sa souvenir? Aganahan, gadi libre good. Ano na? Kung sino pinakamaingay dito ngayong gabi?
Woo!
Tanaw na to kinsay
Oh, sige.
mga kinsay maayo mo kanta dre. Sabayan nyo kami. Hindi ko na sana pinanasan ang iyong ganda at hindi rin pinansintan bawat ngiti mong may gayon. Everybody say, dahil sa hindi ako iibig sa'yo, ikaw pala ang aking sa puso ko.
Yan, lakasan nyo! Everybody!
Kaya nga'yo'y may gulong-gulong. Pinahan ko diri lapit ako, nag-meet na slide. Isipan, araw-gabi ay pangalan, at sa tuwira'y nababalisa. Sabay-sabay! Dahil pa ang puso labis na umibig sa'yo, hanggang kailan magtitiis silihim ang pag-ibig ko.
Talakugon, sabay-sabay!
Everybody, say! Sino pinakamas malakas dito? Mukhang malakas dito sa gitna. Para bang hangin na kahihirap.
Di ba hulog?
Pigil. Bago man niya akong sapatos. Sa unawain ang puso sa'yo'y balik. Nais kong malaman mo sa merong mga singer dito sa kabila. Tingnan natin. Come on! Yan sa likod! Hindi ko na sana pinakasan ang iyong kagandahan at hindi rin pinansin bawat ngiti mong may gayon. Sabay-sabay tayo! Dahil sa hindi ako iibig sa'yo, ikaw pala ang aking sa puso ko.
One more time, mas malakas!
Sabay! Maraming dito, sige na. Sa utos ng damdamin, para bang hangin na kahirap pigilin. Sana'y unawain ang puso sa'yo'y balik. Nais kong malaman mo na I love you very much.
Wow!
Sabay-sabay!
Daghang salamat sa mga nakikanta. Thank you so much, kaayo. And this time, we're gonna give you another song. Para sa lahat ng mga niloko, kinsay mga gibinuangan diha sa mga uyab.
Samse!
Inyuha pa karon. Sa sunod, inyuha gihapon. Para sa inyo tanan. Hope you like this one.
Niloko mo, winasak mo, pati mga pangarap ko.
Uy, daghan po dahil din sa gilid.
Ilan kaya ang tulad mo? Bakit ganyan ang puso mo?
Alam niyo ba to? Everybody!
Ako'y kamaogyot. Halos kahapon lang sinabi mo sa akin na tayo ay tapos na.
Kung tinulaan na, gini kay Madjang ba?
Kay bilis naman, sino ba yung nakuha mo? Kung hindi ka kilala, ilan kayang mga babae ang paluluhain mo pa?
Karambang sa lahat ng mga pinaluha ngayong gabi.
Kagwapo siguro ani niya. Manluloko man. Okay na mo diya?
Nilason mo ang isip ko, ang puso at damdamin ko. Anong sakit sa aking dibdib, ang pag-ibig na alay mo.
Sabay-sabay!
Natatawa ko na marinig ko ang balita, mayroon ka na iba. Halos kahapon lang sinabi mo sa akin na tayo ay tapos na. O kay bilis naman, sino ba yung nakuha mo? Mukhang hindi ka kilala. Ilan kayang mga babae ang paluluhain mo pa?
One more time, yung mas malakas! Come on!
Narinig ko ang balita, mayroon ka nga iba. Halos kahapon lang sinabi mo sa akin na tayo ay tapos na. O kay bilis naman, sino ba yung nakuha mo? Mukhang hindi ka kilala. Ilan kayang mga babae ang paluluhain mo pa?
Sabay!
Natatawa ko na marinig ko ang balita, mayroon ka na iba.
Salbahe!
Ay, inana ba?
Kung ning-ani kagwapo ni BJ, okay ra, no? Pero kung di ning-ani
Dili
ang
gina okay,
level, salbahe.
Dili gina-okay.
Ay, ganda ay. Woo! Nag-enjoy po ba kayo? Gusto nyo pa ba? Do you want more? Gusto na mo musayaw? Balita na ko, hilig musayaw ang taga Talakubong. Kinsay mga maayo musayaw din hi.
Tagaan na mo kalo, kinsay
Si
maayo mo
Sir,
sa'yo.
unsay paborito ni mga ginasayaw, sir, nga ginakanta sa Sweet Notes?
Pati.
Kanibi, murag di ni follower og Sweet Notes ba? Ah,
Follower kayo,
Budots da.
Layat na mga alien, sayaw-sayaw, choy.
Hala, kasayaw na dyan guys sila.
Budots cute, no?
Atong
Di-
hinahinayan nato. Before we proceed sa aming danceables, meron kaming inihandang song para sa lahat ng mga
Wow.
couples dito ngayong gabi.
Uy, kinsay mga couples karong gabi nga
Kanang magtiayon, ha?
Kanang willing nga isayaw ang partner diri sa atubangan.
Kasi nagtuo mo kanang si CFC, Couples for Christ, di na siya. Kanang magtiayon yun. Bisag unsa nga magtiayon.
Oo. Kaya kanang tinuod gyud nga magtiayon nga kanang proud gyud ka nga magtiayon.
Pwede
O
gyapon.
siya,
Isa-unsa.
si ma'am kinsay mong partner ma'am.
Alright.
O sige, pwede ra to isayaw din sa atubangan.
O sige. Ito
Ano,
para
yun?
kung kinsay pinaka-sweet nga couples nga manayaw ron among taga-anog ano.
Souvenir.
Souvenir. Sige, sige,
Oo,
sige, sige.
Kana o proud jud ka si Madam. Wa pa nagsugod ang kanta. Iyan ang gibira iyang partner.
Ala!
Tinuod mo nga magtiayon. Mapila na mo katuig, ma'am?
8
years. Uy,
Ala,
parehas sa mo.
kami
Mag 8
kami
years
yun.
na pud mi.
Ala, dara. Dara.
Oo.
O sige na, atong kantahan ang mga couples karong gabi.
Sige, sige. Kani para sa tanang mga mag-couples ay mong kaulaw, guys.
Hey! Couples!
Woohoo!
You, I know you're everything that I've been looking for. And
Oh, asa naman ni si Sir?
I look into your eyes, I couldn't ask for more.
So it's only fair to lay it on the line. Wala ko yan, ano? Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time.
Everybody say
If you know
it.
the song, everybody say it. So if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart can mend,
Ay, couples ya. I know it's gonna be
it's gonna be
you're the one to pull me through, though I don't know.
Asa ang couple, ma'am?
Couples, couples, come on.
So if I ever fall in love again. Daog na rin sila, daog.
Isa pinaka-sweet ka couples, diri tagaan na to kalo. Sweet Notes Cap, come on. To the DJ.
Scared, I guess I'm scared of flying. It's such a long way down. And yet,
Love!
if you just
Reina!
trust in me, I'm sure I'd come around.
And I know we knew it's hard to let someone inside.
Oh,
In your arms, I feel I'm ready now
Wow!
to try
Pero-
one more time. Everybody!
oh,
So if I ever fall in love again, Arena.
sometimes when this broken heart can mend. Wow!
So down, Vic. I know it's gonna be
It's
with you.
gonna
Sir, dito
be
sumaser.
with
You're the
you.
one to pull me through, though I don't know when. Muna silang mga proud yun kayo.
And if I ever fall in love again, I'd be moved to ever let you go. You're the best thing in my life. When I know I gotta take it slow.
Oh yeah! Dapat yun!
Palakpakan naman natin ating mga couples! Woohoo!
Mura na yung kasalang bayan na hinabo. I know it's gonna be with
It's
you.
gonna be
You're the
with you.
one to pull me through, though I don't know when.
If I ever fall in love again, and if I ever fall in love again. Palakpakan naman po natin! Woohoo!
Ikaw,
And
ikaw ihata ka na
yes.
kinsa may nadaog para nimo.
Siyempre, ang pinakauna ni Sayaw mo, uto'y daog.
Asa naman?
Kani sila, ato na lang ni silang padalaan og kanang Sweet Notes jersey. Okay ra ninyo,
Okay.
ma'am? O, sige, doon lang
Alright.
niyo niya, ma'am. Asa naman tong kaganina, tong pinaka-first gyud nga proud you guys sila. Happy anniversary ninyo, madam. Long years
Ay,
and
hala,
more
anniversary
years
din
and
nila.
more. Yes. Anniversary daw nila. O, dagang salamat sa itong mga couples
so
kanina.
much.
Thank you, kaayo. Kaayo. And this time, guys, gusto nyo ba? Wa pa gyud na human, guys. Wa pa tagkatunga, no? Kaning next song, isa ni siya sa mga nag-trending nga song. Karon nga, ay last month ba to, no? Last month. Pero, kilala gyapon kayo ni nga kanta. Hope you like this one, guys. Sa mga makabaloan ni, pwede mo mo kanta, pwede sad mo mo sayaw. Okay ra? Alright, here's another song for everyone. Hope you like this one.
DJ.
Woohoo!
Ganahan man mo glove song, pinakumanayaw na ta.
Makahilak, no? Nice ka nga song.
Mauwaw ko sa atong mga horados kilid eh.
If you know this song, guys, you can sing along with me. Okay ba yon? Lakasan natin para mas masaya. Come on.
DJ.
Two old friends meet again, wearing other faces. Let's talk about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts who fell apart somewhere along ago. How are they to know?
Come on, say.
Someday they meet again and have a need for more.
Kalakukon, sabay-sabay! Say! Lakasan natin, come on!
Maybe now they can be more than just
May
friends.
mga singer diri sa
May malakas pa ba dyan?
She's
Diri sa Pikas, come on! Daghan ka na.
maybe this time love won't end.
That's right.
Yes. It's a beautiful song.
It's the same old feeling back again. It's the one that way back when. How will they to know when love was real?
Na naman tayo dancer na rin.
But somehow something never changed. And even time has cooled the flame. It's burning even brighter than it did before.
Everybody!
One more time.
Got another chance.
Everybody!
And if they take it, maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends.
That's right.
She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end.
I'm going to dance! Come on!
She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried, but something kept
Wala
them
mga dancer diha.
waiting.
One more time! Let's do it again! Come on!
She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried, but something kept them waiting.
Do you want more? One more time! Come on!
She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried, but something kept them waiting for this magic moment. Maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. Oh, she's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time. Love won't end.
Thank you for singing with me and for dancing with BJ. Daghang salamat kaayo. Woo! And of course, before ta mo sayaw, gihimo na mo ni sa ubang mga places, no, wherever we play music and we perform. So gusto sad namo himuon dinhi sa Talako. Kung okay ra mag-participate ta ninyo, naaman tay mga cellphone karong gabi, no? No, pwede na to igawas ato mga cellphone ug i-on na to ato mga flashlight.
Amin ako kinsay way cellphone.
Request lang namo, gamay lang gid
Tagay.
nga request. Unsa man.
Amin ako tagaan nimo ba ang kinsay way mga
Grabe siya. Sa kadaghan ba? Pwede mag-request lang mi gyud. Kadyot lang gyud
Come on,
kaayo
turn
ni
on
guys,
your
no?
flashlight. Meron ba tayong flashlights dyan? Pwede ba
Oo.
nating i-turn on yung flashlights natin? Come on.
Mao ni siyang ginatawag na Sea of Lights. Ato sa ning himuon diri nag-trending naman tong atong isa ka video.
Atong ipakita sa ubang tagusan nga daghan kay ta diri sa
Oo,
Talakugod.
ato sa itong
Come
ipakita
on.
sa uban kung unsa ta kadaghan karon maulang ni na cellphone. Oh, kani.
Come on, flashlight!
Atong i-on atong flashlight and You can sing along with me, guys. Kaning gwapo nga kanta, nindot ka ini nga kanta para sa inyo ang tanan. Hope you like this one. That Arizona sky burning in your eyes. You look at me,
That's
and
nice.
I wanna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul,
Sayawan ako.
like California gold. You found a light to me that I couldn't find. Talakugong sabay-sabay! So when I'm on, every time, that's the energy. When the sun and the bell won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Lovers in the night, come on, poets trying to write. We don't know how to rhyme, but time we try. Nasa likod, come on! But all I really know, you're where I wanna go. To part of me, it's you, will never die. Come on, say. So when I'm on your door and I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the bell won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah, and I don't wanna be just a memory, baby. Yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Wait, sabay!
One more time.
Say!
It's when I'm on your door and I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the bell won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah, when you look at me and the whole